Hi there, welcome back to a new video. So right here I have the Lokithor J401 jump starter. So I'm going to show you guys how to jump start your car in case you have a dead battery. And you can also get this on Amazon, and I'm also going to place the link in the description where you can purchase it. So this is it right here, guys. So let I remove it from the box. So right here I come with the user manual. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is the user manual. I'm just getting the chance to do it now because during the day I cannot get the chance. So let me remove it from my box. I just put this charger in there. Sure, so this is what it look like, guys. Remove it from this package. And there you go, guys. Look on it, guys. J401 2500 amp jump starter. And right here we have put the wires that go to the battery. You can see there the logo on it. And right here is to charge it. That's where you go. You can charge your phone. Okay, USB cable there. So in here I also have the wires. So these are the wires that go to the jump starter, that go to the battery. And right here I have the charger, so you can plug it in your car and charge it. This piece here, plug in the car and the cigarette lighter and charge it. I also have two extra cable, a long one and a short one. You can use to charge it. You can also use it to charge your phone. And right here you can plug this in instead of a regular wall socket charger, and plug it in right here, and it charge, guys, just like this, guys. Alright, so let's jump into the video, guys. So right here, this is the end you're gonna plug inside of right here. So you can see right here I have a square end, a flat end right here, guys. It's just flat, so you're gonna turn it up, plug it in just like this, guys. And it's also have light on it. Press it like this, guys, it come on, flash, there you go, off. And this is what I use to power it on. So I'm going to show you how to connect it to the car battery, guys. So right here you have the positive, so you're gonna get the red one, connect it to the battery like this, guys, to the terminal. And here you have the negative. Remove the cap, connect to the negative side of the terminal, just like that, guys. And you can see right there show 15.1 volt. And then you can power it on. You got 13.2 volt, and then you can go in and crank your car, guys. That's it right there, fully charged. Power it off, and there you go. Remove it back from the battery, cover back the battery cap, put this big piece back right here just like this, guys. So if you want some light to see anything, you can just pour it on, hold it down and get light, turn off this light, and there you go, guys. So that's how bright it is. Enough light to show you what's going on, where battery is, and a little part in the motor room. And there you go. Pour it off back, and that's it, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.